I got you something. It's not a heater. Yeah, that thing sucks. I've made you a thing that has a diffused light, hopefully. Let's see whether it works. Oh wow, that's very different. It's actually not too bad. It'll be alright. Yeah. That's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. How is it looking?
Looks like it's going to be a long time.
Yeah.
I don't know, there's a few edges that are a bit pitted, but nothing that's fallen off yet.
No, there's no chunks you've seen
no
so
holes.
far.
No holes. So.
Oh no, you got a hat on today?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you feeling a bit cold?
Well, I just, didn't want to get a black head.
Yeah, there's definitely just surface rust everywhere, isn't there? But
yeah, like where it's cracked on the edges of the sealant.
That's a bit weird, isn't it? Is that supposed to be proud, do you think?
I don't know, because it's so covered in sealant, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Oh, actually, yeah, it looks like a good thick bit of sealant, doesn't it?
I'm not sure how it once was.
Yeah.
Although, yeah,
that's got a big gap on that side as well.
Also, it's not that rusty there, to be fair. It's this edge that caught it, and that hasn't swelled out.
What, sort of,
these edges there, and the same. See there, all the pitting.
Oh, I see.
There.
Yeah, that is a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty grim. So you got to do a lot of buzzing on that.
Yeah, and then I guess we need to spray something in the seam. This is not just split; it's completely cracked.
Oh yeah. Yes. There we go. So we had reinforced this.
It doesn't even look like it's just cracked. It looks like it's all twisted as well.
Yeah, that looks pretty bad, to be fair.
Yeah.
I might have to come off that plate, and we might have to redo it. But this is the one that's got that wobbly insert in it. So, and it's also the front right of these subframe mounts. For some reason, is always the one that cracks the worst. So yeah, that's pretty bad, that though. So yeah, it looks like we're going to be taking that off.
Yeah.
And starting again. But yeah, miserable.
Yeah.
You do look like a coal miner already.
Not the funnest of jobs in the world, but what can you do?
It's got to be done, I suppose.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Can't really just leave it.
No, definitely not. It's just the question is it at this stage? What do we do? Do we just keep ploughing on?
Well, or do you find a better way?
Like blasting or something?
Yeah, if you can do it.
See, it's a bit weird with the timeline. With the videos that we've put out, because that looks scary, doesn't it? Yeah, the video that you've just watched is that's 2 days ago. I put that out. We obviously filmed that last week.
Yeah.
So yeah, we don't, with the discussion and people helping us out with ideas of what to do, we've kind of only have 1 day before then Jay comes back in and has to start doing it again.
I mean, I presume blasting takes all the rubber off. I
would have thought so. It's just.
I don't know much about it, to be honest.
Yeah, it would have to go somewhere to do it. Is the problem?
I think you can get mobile people out.
We can make a complete mess.
Well, I don't know. Can we get it on a forklift and take it outside?
I suppose we could, but yeah,
I don't know.
We could physically move it. Maybe I need to make some calls. But yeah, it does look. I don't know. It's a bit scabby, isn't it?
It's always going to be a question mark, I think.
Yeah, because you don't think you're going to be able to get that.
Well, I'm not going to get in these seams.
Yeah.
And up here as well, where it goes triple layer, and under here. I mean, it's not.
Yeah.
That's
not too bad.
It's not rusty, but this is very pitted along that edge, and it's probably in there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It depends how far we're going to go, I guess.
Yeah, I did say I wasn't going to get carried away, but then it is just, there's just loads of bits like this.
Yeah.
We can get to stuff like that because it's exposed, but I don't know, there's definitely areas that
we're not
blasting would definitely help. But
I guess we need to figure out what the best kind of blasting is, especially for, where it is.
Yeah, because obviously I'd prefer it if it didn't have to remove the interior and stuff as well.
Yeah.
Because it's just going to turn into a full strip down project, which is not what I planned. But maybe I'll go to the internet.
Let's have a think about it.
Yeah, I guess just crack on with this misery and I'll go to the internet.
Okay.
Hi Jay.
All right.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You may notice there's some interior missing because, not that we're getting carried away.
I think we did.
Not that we're getting carried away, but yeah, we decided that to do things properly, we needed to remove the interior. Some of the stuff, so things like this, so fitting eye bolts previously. Basically, I crudely drilled a hole through the floor. We need to get that sorted. We need to weld that up nicely before we do any of the sealing underneath and shit and stuff. Sorry.
Yeah. We need to remove this mouse poo or rat poo or whatever animal that came from poo.
Yeah. So yeah, basically, seats out, front and rear, carpets out, headlining staying in, isn't it?
I hope so.
You're getting the dash out now, so you can get the front carpet out.
Yeah.
How's the big battle, Jay?
Yeah.
Having fun?
It's not too bad, just tidying up now.
Yeah, just creating a bit of space.
Yeah, let's get these.
Get these safe.
These rarities up on the shelf.
These 10 grand's worth of seats or whatever ridiculousnknow it is nowadays.
Who knows these days, but they're probably expensive, aren't they?
I think even when I bought them, they were like 2.5 grand or something. It was a lot of money, but now it's just bonkers.
So, yeah,
interior's out then.
Interior is out.
And see holes.
Exciting business.
More excitement, you say?
Yeah.
That doesn't sound good.
More old car.
Oh, okay. So it's worthwhile taking the carpet out, is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm scared.
It's not that bad. I haven't poked it yet.
Oh, okay. Do we need a stabber?
Maybe. Let's not.
I'm getting a stabber. If it's going to be that bad, I'm going to get a big stabber.
No, it might be that bad.
Oh, it's the dreaded. Yeah.
Shall I poke a hole in it?
Yeah, give it a stab. Oh, sad face. Sad face.
So we can presume that side's the same because I can see a gap already.
Okay, so yeah, it was worthwhile, and you know, well, I'm trying to think of positives here.
And
Come on,
maybe
Jay.
we could probably poke another hole. Maybe no, maybe we can't poke a hole there.
Okay. Yay.
Old car.
Yeah. Oh god. I suppose it is very old car. It's 2001,
20
isn't it?
years old, isn't it?
So yeah, it's built. Yeah, it's probably built nearly 20 years ago now.
Yeah.
So.
And you know, it's
It's
not
just-
like we live somewhere nice.
Nah, absolutely.
I mean, climate-wise.
Yeah, and as I've said already in the videos, like I was never overly protective about it. I drove it in winter,
Yeah.
and I guess all it takes is a little bit of a gap there and a little bit of salty water to sit in, and then a bit later, sad face happens.
Yeah, but
Oh God, look at that. Why has this camera got such a good zoom? I don't want to see that. Okay. Thanks, Jack. So what's the f***ing plan now then?
I don't know. I think you need to. I don't know. The plan is definitely take all this out so we can.
Yeah, I think.
And then at that point, when this is all tidied away, we need an actual plan.
Yeah. Well, I've done. I did a bit of research on the dry ice blasting. There's a local company. They haven't got back to me, obviously.
Yeah.
But it does look like very expensive from what I found. I'll wait until I get an actual quote, but yeah, it's the dream because it looks like it doesn't make any mess other than the stuff that it blasts off, but it also looks like it's used for sort of pretty delicate precision stuff, and
like an M3.
Well, yeah, an M3 that I've hacked about over a few years, and yeah, it did look like it was possibly going to be what you might call prohibitively expensive. But we'll wait and see. Getting dizzy, Joe?
Yeah, quite dizzy. Oh,
safe.
Safe enough.
Are you still taking bits off?
Yeah, there's a lot of little bits.
Oh God. Basically we're kind of this far away from the car being like totally stripped. We're going to be taking the bonnet off, we're going to be taking the boot lid off, we're going to be taking the doors off to do work while it's on the ramp. We're basically at the point where we're kind of a little bit stuck, because I'm kind of torn as to whether I should get it blasted or not. Get the underside blasted, because the back does have some bits and pieces that are quite difficult to get to, and I don't want to torture Jay too much as it's funny. Did inquire with a dry ice blasting company, as I said earlier, but I haven't heard back from them. I guess everyone's on the wind down because it's kind of the week before Christmas here currently.
Oh, he hates cars.
Yeah, so yeah, I don't know what to do about blasting, because I don't want to use traditional blasting, because we're still like probably after using the E30 M3 maybe, I don't know, 40, 50 times. Every time I use it there's still sand coming out of various apertures, so I'm really not very keen on using traditional sand blasting on the car, even though it's just the underside that we're doing. So I don't really know what to do. I'm kind of stuck. I need to have a good think about it, but luckily, it being Christmas, I'll be sitting in front of a laptop and some shite telly, and it'll give me a long time to think about this type of stuff. If anyone's got any ideas, again, you guys are full of useful ideas. If anyone's got any ideas on what to do about the blasting, the crud, the hard to get to areas, without, you know, getting sand everywhere in the car, and also without getting sand everywhere in the unit.
Or without taking it apart anymore.
Yeah, in J. And yeah, without taking any more stuff apart,
yeah,
ideally.
Without putting it in a bath of acid.
I do not want to take the glass out.
No.
I do not want to take the glass out. But yeah, I don't want to get everything in here covered either, and especially on this side. These two things. So yeah. Yeah, I guess been not a very successful episode, really. Jay's done loads of hard work in the freezing cold again.
Well, loads of fiddly work.
Thanks, mate. Yeah. And we are, I guess we're still in the process of removal rather than putting it back together and doing fun things. So yeah, bear with us. The fun things will come after Christmas.
The fun things will be painting it.
Yeah. Once it starts to look nice and once stuff starts going back in, it will be a different matter. But yeah, I guess that's probably it for now. Thanks for watching again. Thanks for watching our boring episode. And yeah, I guess have a good Christmas and New Year. And yeah, we'll see you on the other side. Thanks, bye.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.